Okay, next problem is find the power loss in 1 ohm resistor by using the Thevenin theorem. Okay na, Thevenin theorem use chesi across the 1 ohm resistor దగ్గర power loss ఎంత అవుతుందో find out చేయమను. So what is the first step in case of the Thevenin theorem? So first step is nothing but step 1 in Thevenin theorem, remove the load resistance. Remove load resistance, or what is the load resistance? So this is our load resistance. Therefore you have to remove the load resistance and find the open circuit voltage VOC across the load resistance. So that is nothing but if you are replacing that one, so this is the circuit diagram. Right, this is a circuit diagram, right? So this is a 10 ohms resistance, this is a 10 volt supply, so this is a 2 amperes. So here I have to find out the open circuit voltage. This is the open circuit voltage VOC, right? So in order to find out that one, I will consider the nodal analysis. Therefore by using the nodal analysis, what is the input? Let us consider this is a 2 currents. Therefore 2 amperes is equal to VOC by VOC minus this resistance value. Okay, this resistance VOC minus 10 divided by internal resistance is nothing but 10 ohms plus VOC by, so this voltage, these two are connected in a short circuit, therefore VOC is equal this one only. Therefore VOC minus 10 divided by R, because of V by R is equal I only, therefore V minus 10 by resistance. So here VOC by 5, that gives rise to corresponding current passing through the 5 ohm resistance, and current passing through the 10 ohm resistance is equal to VOC minus 10 volts by corresponding resistance value. Therefore that's why I can represent like this. Therefore VOC is equal to, what is the value here? If you are taking the 10 as a LCM, so I can represent 20 VOC minus 10 plus here 2 VOC, right? So that gives rise to 3 OVC is equal to 30 volts 30, therefore VOC is equal to 10. Okay, this is the open circuit voltage for the corresponding circuit. Now we have to find out the step number 2. So step number 2 is nothing but find RTH by replacing voltage comma current with internal resistances. So therefore if you are replacing the corresponding internal resistance, means that voltage source is a short circuit, current source is a open circuit. So by using that one, what is the value? Here current source is replaced with the open circuit. This is the circuit diagram. This is the equivalent resistance RTH. It is a 5 ohm resistance. So see here. So this is a 2 amperes. This current source is replaced with the open circuit. Therefore no circuit will be there. So this voltage source is short circuit. Therefore 10 ohms only. So it is a short circuit. Next 5 ohm circuit and RTH. Therefore these two resistors are connected in a parallel configuration. Therefore RTH is equal to, so 5 into 10 divided by 15, right? 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So 5 ones are and 5 threes are. Therefore 10 by 3 RTH is equal to around 3.3 ohms. Now equivalent resistance for third step is nothing but draw the circuit, that is nothing but RTH is series with VOC or VTH. Therefore okay, VOH, that is nothing but, what is the voltage here we are getting here? That is nothing but 10 volts. this is nothing but 3.3 ohms. And fourth step is nothing but step number 4, connect RL to the circuit. Therefore, what is the RL value here? 1 ohm resistance. This is the RL. So this is the equivalent circuit diagram for the Thevenin's theorem. We have to follow the 4 steps. మీకు ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చినా we have to follow the 4 steps. స్టెప్ 1 ఏం చేయాలంటే మీకు ఎక్కడ వోల్టేజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నారు, సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే వాట్ ఇస్ ద పవర్ లాస్ ఆర్ మేబీ వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ అని మీకు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ ది కోస్పానింగ్ పార్ట్ అండ్ రిమూవ్ దట్ వన్. రిమూవ్ చేసిన తర్వాత వీ కెన్ గెట్ వన్ సర్క్యూట్. సో విత్ ఇన్ దట్ సర్క్యూట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ వోల్టేజ్. దట్ వోల్టేజ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఈక్వల్ టు ది Thevenin's voltage. After that, replace the voltage sources and current sources with the internal resistances. You can get the RTH value. Then we can draw the equivalent circuit diagram. So this is also equal to 1 ohm, right? So what is the current passing through this circuit diagram that gives rise to? So let us consider. I will rough this one. So what is the current? By using KVL, 10 minus, so 4.3, okay, 4.3 I is equal to 0. So therefore 10 is equal to 4.3 I, therefore I is equal to 10 by 4.3 amperes. So this is the current passing through the circuit diagram. If you want to find out the power loss, P is equal to I square into R. Therefore I square means 10 by 4.3 whole square into 1 only. Okay, that gives rise to, so if you are finding the total value, this is the answer for that one, right? So this is the power loss we are getting in the corresponding circuit diagram. So around it is a 5.33 volts. So it gives rise to 5.33 watts. Okay. So if you are solving this one, around we are getting 2.3. Okay. So or else we can directly, if you are calculating this one, we will get around this value. So this is a power loss in the 1 ohm resistance by using a Thevenin's theorem. So this is the steps. మీకు ఎలాంటి సర్క్యూట్ ఇచ్చినా just ఈ basic steps follow చేసి we can solve the problem, right? I think it is easy to understand, I hope. Okay, thank you for watching GMK tutorials. Thank you guys.